In my hands, the top laptop deal of the summer, before back to school, before Amazon Prime Day. How to get this before it sells out in 2.5 minutes. It's thin, it's light, it's productive and powerful. I'm not talking about my wife. I'm talking about the laptop deal of the summer. Great to be with you. I'm the YouTube deal guy. I hunt down the biggest deals, and I mentioned this will sell out in 2.5 minutes because in my hands is something that will go on sale for Amazon Prime Day. And the difference is when it goes on sale at some point over the course of the day, laptop deals on average with the specs and the price I'm about to show you don't last more than 3 minutes. You're watching right now and you have an advantage. This is going to sell out very quickly, but if you are watching this on the day that I have found this for you, which is today, there is a link located right under this video screen. And again, this is valid the day that I've uploaded. If you are watching this video 24 to 48 hours after I'm showing this to you, chances are this is not going to exist. So a reminder, if you're not yet subscribed, I'm not just looking to build subscribers, I really want to build your savings. Many of the items that I feature disappear very quickly. I'm going to do a quick unboxing, take you through the specs tied to this laptop, and then, if you want it, you'll know where to go. This is one very thin laptop. Nice aluminum casing, and I apologize, I have some fingerprints all over this because I do put this through the ringer in terms of tests. Compared to the MacBook, thin profile, almost identical. The MacBook may have a little bit of an edge, but this is incredibly thin. Let's open it up. You get a beautiful HD display. And I should mention this has an Intel processor, 4 gigs of RAM, and a solid state drive, which of course you could expand upon. In fact, it comes with a really cool accessory. On the MacBook, you get one USB-C slot that carries your power, and that of course is your only port, so you need a hub. This laptop, which I love, has 2 ports to begin with. A DC in, so you can charge this, and we get almost 9 hours of battery life. And then you also get the USB-C out. But this device ships with a USB-C hub. So right off the bat, you're not only getting the USB-C connection, but you have an HDMI with the included hub, which is fantastic. Similar to most high-end laptops, and again, you're usually in the $600 price range to get something like a fingerprint reader. That, of course, is built in. And then you have a webcam, which is actually placed a little bit lower than you'd see on a typical laptop or notebook, which is used to capture your face with a really nice Vivid HD display. Also has facial recognition built in if you so choose to use that function. You get Dolby Audio, which is great. Really decent speakers given the size and how thin this is. Plus, with Windows 10 preloaded, you get some really decent speeds, which may be attributed to the Intel processor, or just the fact that the solid state memory used in this laptop is really high end given the price. Let's do some page load tests. I have this laptop beside the $1,200 MacBook, and keep in mind you're getting this for under $390. Let's do a quick page load test right now. So I hit both at the exact same time. The MacBook with double the amount of RAM had maybe a 1/4 second advantage. But let's put the 2 screens side by side. I will conclude that actually this screen may be a little bit more sharp. I don't know how that's possible. Obviously the Apple display is a lot more high end. I don't know, maybe it's my eyes. What do you think? At least comparable?
Oh, definitely comparable, yeah.
Okay. All right, on a video test, let's do this right here. On the video load test, buffering speeds, again, a 1/2 second advantage on the $1,200 laptop. Let's do an audio check. Surprisingly good audio out of the MacBook. Oh, it's a Swish LA ad. I guess they know where I'm ordering from for lunch. Let's make the audio louder on this one.
Let's get this unboxed.
Audio not as good on this laptop, although really decent for the size. Let's do a full load video test. Let's just put these side by side so you guys can see how they look side by side. Let's put the brightness up to max on both. I mean, you guys can see for yourself, the video and the playback and the HD display is just as good on this laptop as it is on the MacBook. I see no clear advantages. I'll give the audio advantage to the MacBook. I will give the 1/2 second of speed or 1 second speed advantage to this laptop, but in basic day-to-day computing, I'm telling you, this is incredible bang for your buck. This ultra thin laptop with its Intel chip and all of its specs, not only give you battery life in our test of up to 8 hours, but it weighs just 2.3 pounds. My newborn baby, which is the lightest thing ever, Mara weighs 6 pounds, 6 ounces. This is a lot lighter than Mara. More importantly, with the 4 gigs of RAM, the 64 gigabyte solid state drive, and then the ability to expand this up to 512 gigs, you are way ahead of the game. With the Quad HD display, you get a resolution of 2560 by 1440, which just means it's beautiful and not just 720p, so you get that sharper, vibrant image. You can get some real work done on this laptop. Keep in mind, this is not a netbook. This is not a Chromebook. This is a fully loaded operational device with Windows 10 and a really nice ultra portable thin profile. Love the USB Type-C hub that's included, just another bonus. And the price is awesome. To take a look at the deal price, which is under 390 bucks on something that would usually sell for at least 150 bucks more than what you can score it for today, make your move, expand that video description box. Again, the link located right under me. And I mentioned, I find these huge tech deals. I've got Prime Day access before anyone else in the country and deals that populate here before anyone else. I don't want you to miss them. And I don't want to miss you. I really like having all of the awesome subscribers on the channel that actually watch the videos. It means a lot to me, and it's just good to save money together. All right, not yet subscribed. Here's what you need to do. Click on my head right here. That'll subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click up there. The last big roundup of deals I featured is over here.